Now, the incident surrounding Pooja Khedkar and the serious allegations of how she went ahead and forged several certificates has raised a larger and more worrying question, perhaps, about whether the entire UPSC system is fraudulent, is in fact mired in these kind of practices, and whether it's rampant among several IAS officers, several UPSC applicants who've used disability certificates before. Because a second example has come to the fore amid this controversy that's again put the glare on the question. A former IAS officer who's now an actor, Abhishek Singh, and this is someone who's got 5 million plus followers on social media, finds himself embroiled in a controversy. He had a disability certificate as a UPSC applicant, and now there are videos of him working out in the gym which are going viral on social media, with many people questioning how exactly are you working out and flexing your muscles if you are disabled. Clearly, once again raising questions about whether this is a certificate that's handed out left, right and centre among UPSC applicants.
A former IAS officer and a bodybuilder. But here is why Abhishek Singh, who has a massive 5 million following on social media, is making headlines. It's got to do with this video. This video has garnered a whole lot of attention. Why? Because amid the IAS Pooja fraud case, it comes to light that Abhishek too in his UPSC had a disability certificate, and much like Pooja, had a certificate saying he had a locomotor disability. And now his workout video has led to netizens asking, does this look like a disabled person? The actor and influencer has now clarified with a detailed post on social media where he's cried foul and claimed there is a conspiracy against him. Abhishek has claimed he's being targeted by an army of anti-reservationists, as he calls it. He's also claimed he's being targeted for raising his voice for reservation, and critics of the same are tarnishing his image. So while he rambles on and on about being targeted, not once has Abhishek actually clarified on whether he's disabled or not. Abhishek Singh, who is awaiting the release of his maiden film, isn't new to controversy. He was suspended in 2023 by the UP government for going on leave without a sanction, an unpardonable offence for IAS officers. Just months before that, in 2022, Abhishek was fired from his post of General Observer during the Gujarat Assembly election because he was seen posing with his official vehicle for some social media likes. Again, a big no-no for such senior officers. Amid the serious allegations of fraud and forgery against IAS Pooja, Abhishek Singh is now under the scanner over his disability claim in his UPSC application. This, however, raises a larger question. Have many UPSC applicants faked disability certificates and forged documents to become so-called officers of repute? Bureau Report, India Today.
Absolutely worrying that in the last 1 week, 2 alleged instances of this kind of cheating the system has come to the fore. And we're going to continue taking this forward with our campaign to clean the IAS here on India Today.